Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add Luts in Capcut. Luts, or lookup tables, help us apply professional color grading to our videos and give them a cinematic look. We will walk through the steps on how to import Luts in Capcut. Now let's get started. On our Capcut dashboard, click Project at the top part of the dashboard. Once we click that, we can import the video we want. For example, this one. We have the video here. We will select it. As we can see, there are no LUTs applied yet. We need to add one. Let's click Adjustment in the upper left. Then select LUT. From here, we just need to import our LUT file. In the import window, we scroll down to where we saved our LUTs. Then we import the folder. As we can see, it has been added successfully. Now let's add it to our media by clicking on it. We can now apply it to the video. As we can see, the cinematic effect has been applied to our footage. And that's it. We have successfully added Luts to our video in Capcut. Our footage now has more professional and cinematic colors.